What's the meaning of badmouth? Badmouth. Badmouth.
Bad mouth. Bad mouth. The phrase badmouth refers to the act of speaking negatively, critically, or disparagingly about someone or something. It can be used in a wide range of contexts, from personal relationships to business dealings. When someone badmouths another person or entity, they are typically trying to undermine their reputation or credibility, often for their own benefit. This can be done through gossip, rumors, or outright lies. Bad-mouthing can have serious consequences, damaging relationships, careers, and reputations. It is generally considered unprofessional and unethical behavior, and can create a toxic environment in both personal and professional settings.